Factorize. Factorize 9c squared minus 49d squared divided by 121. Now, solution. We have 9c squared minus 49d squared divided by 121. Now we can write this as what? 9 can be in the form of a square. So we can write 9 as 3 square. So we have 3 square c square here minus, and we can write 49 as what? 7 square. That is 7 times 7. So we have 7 squared d squared. And we can also write 121 as what? 11 times 11, which is what? 11 squared. Now, combining them, what do we have? To have a single base. This is like 3c raised to the power of 2. These two will affect each. Then you have something like this. Also, we combine this. This is like 7d, because we have square here. This 7 is carrying power as 2. The power of this d is 2. The power of this 11 is also 2. So we can bring everything together. So divided by 11, then it will have a carrier outside, which is 2, raised to the power of 2. So in this case, we now have 3c raised to the power of 2 minus 7d divided by 11, everything raised to the power of 2. Now, how do we factorize this? We should note that, when you have a square minus b square, is the same thing as what? A plus b into what? A minus b. Very important. So it means that a is like, we're having our a as 3c, and the b is like what? 7d divided by 11. If you compare this is a, 3c. Our b is what? 7d divided by 11. So in this case, factorizing, we have our final answer. We are going to have 3c, then plus 7d divided by 11 into bracket what? What do we have? 3c minus 7d divided by 11. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.